Hi team, Mr. Rator here. Okay, in this question, we've been told the sides and the angle between those sides, and it says here the area of the triangle is 39 root 3, find the value of x. Okay, so we're given the area also. Now, it is a non-right angle triangle, so we have to use the sine rule for area, which is, just write it here, area a non-right angle triangle is half AB sine C. Again, AB angle C is the angle that's given. In this case, it will be 120, and A and B are the sides between them that make the angle. Okay, it's the adjacent sides, and it doesn't matter which way around or how we call them. So let's start quickly by saying the area of this triangle is 39 root 3 equals to half a, doesn't matter which one of the sides is 2x minus 3, and the other side is x plus 4, and the angle between them is 120, so sine 120 degrees. Okay, so if you went on your calculator, double check what is, if we go sine 120, tell you that is root 3 over 2. Now before we deal with that, let's deal with this half. So the opposite of half, get rid of half is doubling it. So if we double both sides, so double 39 is 78. 3, which is equal to. Now, okay, let's just keep that here at the moment. So before we expand that, we've got 2x minus 3, and we've got x plus 4, and this, we said, is, if you check in your calculator, is root 3 over 2. Again, we can get rid of this divide by 2 by timesing it by 2, so doubling it. So I'm going to do 2 times 78, 2 times 78, which is going to give me 156 root 3 equals, now I'm going to expand this out, so if I introduce some square brackets, 2x times x is 2x squared, 2x times 4 is 8x, minus 3 times x is minus 3x, and minus 3 times 4 is minus 12. Close the bracket there, and I've got rid of the 2 by times it, and I've got root 3 here. Now note I've got root 3 here and I've got root 3 here, so what we can simply just do is cancel those. So if I get that and cancel, divide that by root 3, I'll end up with 156 is equal to, now let's collect all these terms together, so I've got 2x squared. Now 8x minus 3x is 5x, and you got minus 12 there, so just minus 12 there. I'm going to take this 156 to the other side, and that's going to become a minus 156. So I'm going to end up with a quadratic that says 2x squared plus 5x. Now, if I do minus 12 and I subtract 156 from that, I'll end up with minus 168. That's going to equal 0. Now, what I can do here is I can just simply put this into my calculator, and it solves quadratics for you. So if I just quickly put this through the calculator, or you could use also quadratic equation, or you could try to factorize it, whichever is easy for you. Just gonna go onto my calculator, put in the polynomial. So coefficient of x squared is 2, coefficient x is 5, and the coefficient of the constant, sorry, is minus 168. If I go on, I've got two solutions on my calculator, which are, so solution 1, it tells me x is equal to 8, and the other solution, it tells me x is equal to minus 21 over 2. Now, as you can, now that's going to be minus, let's just put that in perspective, minus 10.5. Minus 10.5. Now, looking from here, that will make this side negative, will also make the other side negative, so not possible to have a negative. Possible. So the only solution in this case, x must equal 8. Okay, so double check that on your calculator. You have a function that you can use your calculator and put that in, and it will solve it for you. If you're interested in how to factorize this, or how to solve these values, you can use the quadratic equation, or the best way I do it is complete the square. If you're interested, I can show you that quickly. And here, if I split this page up, so to complete the square, the coefficient of x squared must be 1. So if I get rid of that by dividing everything by 2, I'll end up with x squared plus 5 over 2x. And if I do 168, share that by 2, I'll end up with 84, minus 84 in this case. What I need to do now is put this in a bracket, put the square there, and complete the square. So the x goes there. Now, when I halve this fraction, all I do is, the way to halve it is double the bottom. So that becomes a plus 5 over 4. Now I'm going to take this off, which is square this and take it off. So the square root of 5 is 25, and the square root of 4 is 16. That's minus 84, which is equal to 0. Now if I do 25 minus 25 over 16 and take away 84 from it, I'm going to get a very large number, which is minus 100. And if I put this down here, I'm going to get x plus 5 over 4, keep the square there, I'm going to get minus 1369 over 16. Now if I take that to the side, it becomes a positive, so I put equals there. And the opposite of squaring is square root, so I end up with square rooting, so x plus 5 over 4. If I square root fraction, it ends up being 37 over 4, plus or minus. Square root something, okay, plus or minus. Take this to the other side, so x equals minus 5. Now it's both over 4, so I'm going to put plus or minus 37 over 4. Now there you'll get two solutions of minus 5 plus the 37 give you 32, and so the x is going to be 32 over 8 is going to over 4 is going to give me 8. The other solution you're going to get is minus 5 minus 37 is going to give me minus 42, and minus 42 over 4 is the same as minus 21 over 2.